Hi guys, today I'm gonna showing you how to make a portal to Nether in Minecraft. Hope you like it. All you need is obsidian and flint and steel. And this is how you make it. This is the Nether. Let's add some flint and steel. So you can see here that is Nether portal. Let's go inside the vault. See here, it's Nether. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and leave a like.